Okay, let's see this question. Block M attached to a solid cylinder, mass 2m, radius r. When released, the tension in the string is. So we need the tension, so we'll draw the free body diagram. Downward force on the cylinder 2mg. Due to the string, here it will get tension. Block free body diagram M. Downward force mg. Upward force tension. Okay, now let's say it is moving down with a acceleration and it is rolling with alpha. Okay, so we assume that no slipping is there. So in these cases slipping is absent. For slipping absent, V would be equal to omega r and A would be equals to alpha into r. So A equals to r alpha we can connect. Downward force on the block mg. Upward force tension mg minus tension equals to ma. Equation number 1. For this cylinder, what we will do? Torque. So net torque about the center. 2mg is passing through the center, so its torque would be 0. So torque would be tension into r. So tension into r is inertia into alpha, and alpha would be a by r. So tension would become how much? Inertia a by r square. Equation number 2. Adding both of the equations, we'll get mg equals to m plus I by r square into a. So acceleration would become mg upon m plus inertia by r square. Now inertia is how much? It's a cylinder, right? Solid cylinder of mass 2m, radius r. So inertia would become of a solid cylinder is how much? Mr square by 2. So 2m r square by 2. That is m r square. So here inertia by r square would be how much? M. So acceleration would become mg upon m plus m. So it would become g by 2. Acceleration is how much? G by 2. So tension would become, so tension equals to inertia by r square. So inertia by r square was m, acceleration is g by 2, so mg by